AJB 3S and improvements. Great improvement mark with before and after. Gloves now have a standard location, stop the struggle. And Kieran with a deep clean of the forks on the forklift, clearing off the old dirty grease and renewing it. Looks and will work premium now, no struggle. Great job Peter, renewing the bottles in your cleaning bracket. Now they're clear, we can exactly see what's inside. Great job on the barcode scanner bracket and also a list of contact details for our suppliers. Great job Damien with a before and after. Now he has a bracket for some boxes. And Kieran again with making the press brake tool in premium. And Patrick getting way into details, clearing behind the racking before and after, looks great. And also sorting out the front, clearing rid of some of the old crap. Great job. And Peter adding standard location for the drill box trolleys and also a standard location for the Kanban trolley. Alex, Josh clearing the bins, hoovering upstairs, giving it a good clean, making it look premium. Before and after. Also vacuuming stairs with a backpack vacuum. Great job. And Sławek with a clean of the forklift, making it shine, making it look premium. Great job. And also me, Chris and Sławek on the weekend, on Saturday, we cleared this area. And we added a new concrete base. We're going to put a little lean-to extension at the back for pre-packing. So this was me, I dug in, we had to move all the drainage pipes, dig them in. I actually broke one that Sławek's fixing. I broke it twice, so we've got to do that again, but there we are. Old Coke can from 1972. And then we put in 100 tons of crushed concrete, dumper trucked it round, levelled it out to level. We've got to roller it again and it's ready for concreting. It was a great job and really enjoyable.